And we go down to the basement. Pretty old furnace. Might want to upgrade it. It's very, very historic. Not sure if it's working or not, but it's very old. I wish I had a light. The rest of the basement. This is where the gas meter was. I can't see it, too dark. Well, that's a gas meter there too. Interesting. Okay. Not a bad basement. Need some tiling. Sink. More the furnace. Got a little disconnection there. I don't know what that's about. We got fuses. Circuit breaker. Need to upgrade that. I'll take pictures. I'm looking for the water tank. And I don't see it. So it needs one of those. And there you go.